Y'all are not ready. I'll be right back. Hey there, people of the internet, welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the big red subscribe button that is below and notification bell beside it. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So today's video is my first ever DIY braids sort of tutorial. I'm not sure where this video is going to head to or where it's heading to, but let's call it a tutorial, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. Okay, so I'm going to be using product stripped from Mamiya Organics because why not? I already played a video of me washing my hair with their shampoo and their hair mayonnaise. I'm going to have that video linked here. So I'm going to go ahead and use 3 of the products in their range. I'm going to be using their black castor oil, avocado oil, breakthrough leave-in strength. So it's sort of a strengthening leave-in conditioner. I've used this to twist my whole head before because why not? And it has a very good sleep. So yeah, I'm also going to be using their breakthrough leave-in strengthener hair and scalp anti-breakage cream because I don't want the hair to break. Okay, this is how it looks. This is a smaller jar. This is a 227 gram jar. The other one is a 567 gram jar. The last thing I'm going to be using is their Jamaican black castor oil treatments on my scalp and hair, most likely, because why not? So I already pulled my wool down. This is how the wool, I put everything in a bucket because I've had this food since May, but I never really had the strength to do the hair by myself. Yeah, so I purchased 22 baby wools. Each one was like 150 naira. So I spent like almost like 3 to 4k on wool. Yes, I spent almost 3 to 4k on wool. More than 3k. I spent 1.5 plus 2 plus 1.9 and 2,000 plus 1.535. I spent 3.4 on wool. Yes, so I already put it. I don't know how many I counted them to be, but I think I counted them to be like from 20 to 22, 30. I don't know. I really can't remember, but everything is pulled down. If I purchase like extra wool, I'll show you guys how I actually pulled it by myself, like to get it to be like this. Okay, so it's just strictly baby wear. I think I'll show you guys how the wrap look like. I don't have any one here. Let me get the wrap. So it's actually like this. This is a 50 gram 100% acrylic hand machine knitting yarn. So yarn braids basically. So I had already sectioned into 37 or 38. I'm actually using 37 individual braids because that's what my wool reached. I don't think I want to buy any extra one. So yeah, so I'll just take down this and I'll be right back. So I'm going to go ahead and just moisturize with the product. I'm going to first go in with the leave-in strengthener because like the leave-in conditioner, just because I didn't like apply any product in my hair after my wash day yesterday. So that I had to just stretch the hair. It's best like you do this style of like straight hair. That's why like I did the banded method to stretch. You can do banded method, you can like do braids, like you can plait it. This thing has such a good sleep. So my hair is already sectioned. These sections are not like so clear, but I think I did like a relatively good job. And I'm just taking down the one I want to plait, all the tangled, all smooth, all everything. Okay, so this is my braiding yarn. I don't know how long I want the hair to be. I'll probably just braid it to like any length. This is the first time trial, so I'm just going to divide this into 2. One part will be really big, another part will be really not really small, but like it will be small relative to the other side. So like this. So you know how to put hair for braiding now. Like you crisscross it. Make sure they are equal. You crisscross and make sure that they're equal. So I'm going to go ahead and braid. I don't know if you guys can see this well. Yeah. Put this away. Divide your hair into 3. Each one for each section. And make sure you hold it firmly. I think it's firm enough. So what I'm going to do is just braid up. I already have a DIY braiding tutorial, like yeah, so on this channel. I think it's even the first thing you see if you click my channel name. So into the braiding down to the end. Try not to get it tangled, obviously. That's extra wahala. Yeah. Keep on braiding to the end. Let me show you guys. Still braiding it. So when you get to like the length, not like the length, but like the end of where you want, you're going to take the longest one. So this is the longest one, the longest two, and try to tie it around it so that the hair doesn't loosen. So these are the longest two. Take it around like you want to do kiko, like you want to do bantu knots. You tie it around, then you try to tie. Because we're going to still bond the end. So I've tied it. So this is the first one. Feels good, looks good. Feels good, looks good. My patterns are not like the clearest, but I can read for the first time. I can manage this, okay? It's going to take me like 3 to 4 hours. But like I've learned some tips as compared to when I first started. So a tip I learned was on like when I was reading here obviously was always ensure like you use a conditioner that has very good sleep. If the sleep is shit, go and get another one to be very nice. Because you know when people braid, like most of these stylists on Instagram, they like using gels to keep the hair like smooth and everything, but if your leave-in conditioner has a very good sleep, you don't have to bother about using gels because gels are sort of drying. That's not the reason why I can't really like my Mia Organics leave-in conditioner. It has like a very good sleep. Like this is the sleep I'm working with, guys. This is the sleep I'm working with. So always ensure you go in individually. Don't just moisturize your whole head as one and then don't go in. You must go in individually to sort of detangle so that your hair will not tangle in the process. So I'm going to go in and add some more leave-in conditioner because why not? Then with your braiding hair, I'm sorry, I'm picking up my hair from like the hair is already scattered all over the floor. So let me use this one. Always ensure like you don't let it tangle. If it's tangled in the first, like if you've gone like if you are braiding it and it's already tangled, please detangle before you continue braiding because that can also mess up your hair. Like it can actually mess up your hair because the hair can get tangled in the process. Also, like always tight braid from the roots. Like tight braid to the throughout your length of hair. Once you get past the length of hair, you can always start doing like loose braids because that's better. And always section your hair into 3 when it is detangled with the leave-in conditioner. So right now I'm just trying to section my hair into 3 so that my hair does not tangle in the process. Yeah, so now I'm braiding. Now you guys cannot see it. I'll do like an up-close view. Always, now my thing is tangled. Always detangle before you continue braiding. Don't wait for it to tangle before. Don't let it stay tangled. Always detangle it so that it doesn't mess up your actual hair. So I said tight braid. And if you see that your hair is getting there, apply some leave-in conditioner so that your hair will be smooth and it will lay flat with the braiding wool. Because it's really sort of pointless if you are doing braids and your hair is sticking out of the strands of wool. Like what's now the point of using the attachments when your hair is still going to be hanging loose? So yeah, just tangling my wool. So it will lay flat and tight. You guys can see these tight braids. Since I'm done with my length of hair, like I'm almost done. Okay, I think I'm almost done. I can now start doing loose braid. I can now like take my hand down a bit to make it looser and everything. So that loosening for me will be sort of easy. I don't like have to cut off the whole hair. Another reason why I'm fast because I'm watching Nigerian film. I'm watching Isakaba on YouTube. okay, relatively it's clean now. So let me show you guys how to do this. You pick really long hair. This is for the back. You can use this. Please don't pick your edges. Please don't pick your edges. I'm begging you. If you're tempted to, don't. Don't. When people are always like, oh, let's look neat. Don't. So remember tip 1. Twist this too. Tip 1 is to apply leave-in conditioner to the hair. A good amount. Don't mice it. And this one, me organic leave-in conditioner, I think is like 1,300 naira, guys. That's less than $5. That's like $3. If you exchange at 400, it's like $3 and like a few and change. So my hair is sort of detangled and softer. So you know how I said about sectioning the hair. Don't make sure that your braiding hair is not too much. Just make sure it's not so much. Like, put it where your hair can withstand. So section it into 3. 1, 2, 3. So just stop braiding. I'm sort of doing brush in the front because I really don't want to pick these babies. You guys know that I have a braiding tutorial already up on this channel. If you search for my name and you tap on my channel, it's like the first video that you would see. It's like my sort of channel preview. It's the first video you would see. So I'm just braiding it, tight braids. Then once I pass the length of my hair, it becomes loose braids. Don't do this style on dry hair. You want to do it on, don't make your hair when it's dry, period. Even if it's not braids you are doing. Except if the style you want to do, you know how to handle your hair when it is really dry. Like now, if I want to do twists, like loose twists, sometimes I braid my twists dry. I don't apply any product because like it's a specific look I'm looking for. I know how to like handle my hair. My hair is almost never tangled, so I'm trying to detangle the hair because you're not meant to braid when it's tangled. So we continue moving. Also, another tip, make sure that I'm just getting these tips randomly. I'll see or highlight the tips in the description box, but make sure that you section your hair before you start braiding the full hair. Don't be sectioning and then braiding. Section your full head up, head down if you're doing it by yourself, because that way it's just easier. You don't have to bother about sectioning at all when you're braiding, because you can get tired, you can get frustrating, especially like your first time of braiding. If you don't know how to braid the attachments, start with braiding your normal hair first before you now start braiding with attachments. Things I already have like braiding skills under my belt, so like I know how to braid hair, so this is just sort of easier for me. You can see that I didn't pick my front hair at all. I didn't pick it at all, so I'm going to go ahead and just finish this section off camera and I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, it's exactly an hour and 46 minutes and I'm done with half of my hair. I'm really excited because I don't know, this is like the first time. I've only done like 17, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 3, 17. I've only done 17, so I think this side is actually 18 or so. So I read the hair into two section because it's like easier for you to get your parts clearer. But yeah, let's go ahead and like start, and I think I'll show you guys how I'll do the front because you guys really can't see the back, so be right back. Okay guys, it's been 4 hours and like 3 minutes since I started, and I'm actually on the last. I'm actually very excited. I'm on the last one, and this is actually the last wool I have. My wool has finished. This is the last one, so like I actually finished everything to the last. I'm just going to go ahead and braid it quickly. I've already applied leave-in conditioner. just quickly braid it and baby, you, I'm not much of a talker. Baby, you. I'm actually so proud of myself. This actually came out looking good. So you guys know how the ends are all messed up. These are the ends. So I actually have to go ahead and cut each one. So I think I will like lower my ring so you can see like what I'm cutting. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess. I'm going to burn the tips. Yeah, so it went from guys, I'm actually done trimming my hair, so I want to go ahead to like burn and like actually trim the body because I don't want hair like wool sticking out on the sides like this. So I'm actually going to move to my table because I'm going to be working with like matches and a candle, so I need like a bowl to like always dip my hair for like safety. You have to be safe when you're doing anything. You don't want to risk burning yourself or setting yourself on fire. Okay, so let's just move to my table over there. So this is my table and I actually have like a bowl of like this is I don't know, this is not a bowl. This is a bowl. Share this container of water here just for like safety stuff. My matches, my candle because I'm using candle and I don't have like a lighter to use. Then my towel is already draped over me because I don't want to like mess up my denim jacket. So you're going to put all your hair to one side because you don't want to like get anyone mixed up. Okay. Guys, I'm actually done with everything. All I have to do is trim off like all these stray hairs. I also put some accessories on my hair. I purchased accessories for like 100 naira per pack. I actually bought 2 packs. I first bought this, a pack of this, which is like 10 or so. Yes, and I have this also. This is 12 beads. I'm going to try to like force these beads into this hair and apply my accessories before we go further into the video. Guys, I'm actually done applying, like putting up all the beads I can. I'll actually try to purchase cowries on Monday because today is Saturday. I'm going to just go ahead and rub this hair and scalp cream on my scalp because I need the love. Okay, my scalp is actually already oily. Just apply little all around, just all around. Okay, I already applied Jamaican black castor oil on my edges because you know, meant to carry the high behind in the protective styles that you want to carry for a long time because build up is real. That's where my hair feels sort of sore, like my center on my sides. Y'all are not ready. I'll be right back. So I'm back, guys. This is my first time of wearing lashes since September of 2019. I can't see road, but we move. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned anything or two. I'm going to have all the tips listed either in the description box or in the comments pinned, so please try to check it out in case you want to learn how to braid your hair. This is how my hair looks after. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned anything. So if you could do a thumbs up, please subscribe to my channel. Follow me across all social media platforms. Natural Ukachi. I don't wear lashes for nothing. Follow me so that you can see the reason why I wear lashes. Oh God, subscribe. I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember that God is watching you, so give God a beautiful show.